Welcome to Radical Wellness TV. This is Laura Lee, and I am looking in these little rocks on a Lemurian temple on the Pacific coast of the central coast of California on May 3rd, 2026. And I just want to let you know this is where we get our rocks. And here is Big Sur right there in the background. And there's a building up there that you can see, and that's Ragged Point. But it's called Ragged Point, and that's where you can stay and lodge. It's beautiful. There was a festival there yesterday. We had a really good time. My friend Annie and Christine, those rocks out there are the reason why they call it Ragged Point. So anyway, it's not because there's a jetty out there behind me. But see all the rocks? So I'm collecting these rocks and making necklaces into them, the beautiful ones. They're all beautiful, but it's amazing how some of them have so much vibrant color to them. And I'm putting them in necklaces like, well, here, I'll show you. Like this. See, I put these rocks in these necklaces, and you can see that they're adjustable. And see my friend collecting them in the back. But that's the idea of these necklaces, is to bring some Lemurian grounding to anybody who wears them. And there are different sites along the coast. There's 9 of them. This is one of them, called Prosperity. And you sit here and you pick up the vibration of just being the best that you can be. That's what all these temples and vortexes are all about, to create the best human beings that we can be. So these rocks can help. They are helping to ground us and to get back, because it is May 3rd, 2026, and there's a lot of changes going on if you look up on the news or anything. And it's pretty radical what we're going through, but we'll get through it, and then the consequence is happy, joyous, and freedom. Love life, and life will love you back. We'll see you in the next video.